Today we're checking out these 1-inch wheel spacers in black for the 1999 and newer Silverado 1500s. If you're looking for a wider stance, maybe a little bit more clearance for bigger tires or brakes, and a cleaner, close to flush look without buying new wheels altogether, then this is a simple bolt-on upgrade that is definitely worth checking out. The key features here start with a true hub-centric design so that the spacer centers on the hub and keeps the wheel running smooth with no wobble, even at those highway speeds. At 1 inch thick, these add just the perfect amount of track width, being 1 inch on each side or 2 inches total, and these are enough to help cure some light rubbing at full lock on the wheel, clear some beefier calipers or upper control arms, and push tucked wheels out where they belong, without looking too over the top or out of place. They're a smart pick if your aftermarket wheels sit too far inward, or maybe they rub while you're turning, or you just want a tougher, planted stance while keeping factory fenders. Each spacer comes with heavy-duty studs already pressed in, plus the matching lug nuts for the spacer itself, and you're gonna reuse the factory lugs to secure the wheel. When it comes to the construction on this, these spacers are CNC machined from strong billet aluminum with this nice black anodized finish to help fight corrosion over time. The faces are cut super flat to tight tolerances so that they clamp tight to the hub and the wheel, and they're pre-installed with high quality studs that are built for real truck duty. The pattern is going to fit your Silverado 1500 so that the fit is clean and the wheel sits flush just like stock. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around the mid $200 price range for the pair. For hub-centric spacers with heavy-duty studs and a quality black anodized finish, that's a solid value if you want the stance and extra clearance without swapping wheels. Now, when it comes to the installation process on this one's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have these on and running in 30 minutes of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and we're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include an impact gun and 19 and 21 millimeter sockets. What's up, guys? Today we're installing wheel spacers on our Silverado, so let's pop our wheel off and get started. So now we can take our wheel spacer and slide it over our factory studs. Now I would recommend applying a little bit of thread locker to these studs just to make sure everything stays nice and tight. Since we're just doing this for demonstration purposes, I'm not going to put any on, so we're going to be taking these back off. But I would recommend doing that. Now slide it on, and we're going to thread on the new lug nuts that came with the spacer onto our factory studs. Then we can grab a 19 millimeter socket, tighten these down, and then go back with the torque wrench and torque them down to the manufacturer's spec. And now you can repeat that same process for your other wheel spacers. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the 1-inch wheel spacers in black for your 99 and newer Silverado 1500. Thank you for watching. For all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.